Here I can do whatever I want, almost. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Oliver Russian salad, in Italian, Insalata Russa, a complex alternative to a creamy potato salad. Adopted by many European countries, this versatile Russian salad has become a favorite for family cookouts and holiday celebrations. The ingredients are flexible and easy to find in any grocery store. The preparation process is easy. It can be made ahead of time and the presentation can be simple as well as festive. In Italy, it is often served as a side to grilled seafood or barbecued meat. These are the ingredients I use today. The measurements are in the description below. You can use whatever you fancy. Some of the main ingredients include boiled potatoes, carrots and peas, often combined with pickles, onions and diced boiled eggs. However, no strict rules exist. Any vegetable, cold meat or seafood can be added. Boil 5 medium potatoes in salted water for 20 minutes. Choose potatoes that will remain firm. Let them cool down to room temperature. To make this recipe even easier, I used jarred mixed vegetables, carrots, red peppers, onions, celery, green peas, artichokes, corn or beetroot. If you want to use fresh vegetables, just boil them in salted water, but make sure they remain firm. Then add the mayonnaise, the peeled and chopped potatoes and the hard-boiled eggs. Stir until it is all combined. If you want to make this salad taste even better, you can make homemade mayonnaise. The recipe is on the link above. Now that you've made the salad, you can serve it in a glass bowl or create some fancy presentations. Line the mold with cling film. Place the salad inside, pressing it down to ensure it's evenly distributed. Let it rest in the fridge for 1 hour. Turn it upside down on the serving dish and decorate with herbs and vegetables. This is perfect for placing on a buffet table or for serving on Christmas Eve as a side to the Feast of 7 Fishes. For a festive presentation, you can mix the mayonnaise with gelatin to obtain a more solid consistency that easily maintains its shape. You can use unique molds or serve it as a cake that can be sliced. If you want to instead to create single serving portions, you can use a circle mold. Fill in the salad inside the circle and leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. Gently remove the mold, making sure the salad keeps its shape. Decorate with herbs and vegetables. Remember that this recipe can be adapted to suit your preferences without compromising the essence of the original salad. If you want to serve it as a main dish, you can add chicken, ham, shrimp or tuna. Whatever ingredient you decide to add, this recipe is so versatile, easy and delicious. For more easy salad recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to throw all my leftovers in there. My family would never know.